From this video, you will get tips for unlocking success with the 77202T Avaya IP Office platform. Implement online test. Why the ASTA 7720 certification matters. Exam details. Exam topics. Best strategies for success. 1. Where are backups for voicemail defined? A. In the Manager Program Backup Settings. B. Through the PC Backup method. C. In the Automatic Backup at Midnight. D. In Voicemail Pro Preference, General Options, Backup and Restore Settings. Answer: D. 2. What are crucial aspects to consider during the installation and startup procedures of an Avaya IP Office solution? Choose 2. A. Ensuring all components are compatible. B. Following the correct sequence of installation steps. C. Choosing the right time of day to begin installation. D. Verifying the software version on all devices. Answer: A, B. 3. A call is directed to the first hunt group in an Avaya IP Office, then it overflows to a second hunt group, and then the call is sent to voicemail. To which mailbox is the call sent? A. The general catch-all mailbox. B. The first hunt group mailbox only. C. The second hunt extension group mailbox only. D. Both the first and second hunt group user mailboxes. Answer: B. 4. You are upgrading your Avaya IP Office network with a new release of software. What is the procedure to install new binary files for the Avaya IP phones? A. The new binary files are included with the DHCP information. B. The system pushes the firmware to the telephones automatically. C. SFTP is used to replace old files with new ones. D. The telephones receive new firmware using HTTP. Answer: D. 5. How are Media Manager installations typically conducted in an Avaya environment? A. Remotely via cloud-based interfaces. B. Manually by each end user. C. Centrally by the IT department. D. Automatically on all connected devices. Answer: C. 6. How should an administrator approach the installation of new lines and trunks in the Avaya IP Office system? A. By following the default setup guide. B. By customizing settings to fit the organizational structure. C. By copying settings from similar organizations. D. By outsourcing the task to a third party. Answer: B. 7. Which installation strategy is recommended for Avaya IP Office Server Edition components to ensure reliability? Choose 3. A. Regular software updates. B. Redundant power supply systems. C. Frequent change of network protocols. D. Backup and disaster recovery plans. Answer: A, B, D. 8. Why is it important to correctly identify the licensing model when implementing the Avaya IP Office solution? Choose 2. A. It determines the features and capabilities available. B. It impacts the cost of the installation. C. It is required for legal compliance. D. It affects the color scheme of the user interface. Answer: A, B. 9. When configuring an Avaya IP Office 500 v2 Standard Edition, what would you expect to see when logging into Web Manager for the first time? A. Password change prompt. B. Security settings. C. Configuration wizard. D. Server IP settings. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.